YouTube. Eric DIY here with another great review for you. We've done it. We've got another water park for the summer for the kids, because the other one again was eaten early by a pack of carpenter ants, and last summer it was kind of cost prohibitive because everyone was buying these and the price was through the roof. But we found a really good deal on this updated Banzai Aqua Sports water park, which actually includes a lot more things than the last one, so we're going to check it out. This one is not just a water slide. It has the slide, you climb up on it. Again, it has a little splash zone right there. It also has 2 mini soccer goals. This is a volleyball hoop, which Zach was using as a punching bag earlier. I had to kind of tell him to stop just in case. I don't know if that would be allowed, but so taking the beating pretty well. And it's much like the other one. It just has air inflator. You hook up the hose to the nozzle on top and it just sprays water in, and then it acts like a pool and everything else. Also has a basketball hoop, so it's pretty cool, and that makes it just a little bit more, even more usable than the old one. If you want to see the review to the old one, by the way, I'll leave a link in the description below. In the box, they have the directions to set it all up. Pretty easy. Connect the water hose, make sure that you get everything on there. They want you to attach everything first. The hardest thing I found, again with the old one, is just making sure that you put these on the Velcro before you inflate it, because if you don't really pay attention to that, you won't get them up there without climbing up this wall. So, and if you have really young kids, forget it, they're not gonna be able to do it. Stakes, again, stake it down. There's 3 stakes for the air blower. Hook it up in the back. They want you to wet the inflatable before you connect the garden hose. And then honestly, the hardest thing is, again, laying it all out flat before you inflate it, and then making sure you have these things on there on the Velcro before you hook up the water hose. It's grounded already. It has GFCI fault, but it doesn't hurt to have a grounded outlet. That's what they patch kit. We're gonna get one of those Rubbermaid containers. We're gonna dry it all out and put it in there. And she also said that basically, hey, we might blow it up after all the water's out, and that should evaporate the water faster by having air go through the unit. But these are the patches that they do give you in case you do get a hole. And the last thing too, if it doesn't start right away, it's because you always have to reset the GFCI to get the blower going. So just remember that when you plug it in, if it's not working, it's not broken, just push reset and make sure that the GFCI is basically on. It's closer inspection here. It's made out of the same material, so again, we will not be making the same mistake of storing this in a place where carpenter ants can make a home out of it. We put it in a little shed right over there, and literally had it in the bag and everything, and the ants ate right through it. So do not store these in a place where you can have carpenter ants. Pretty good, durable construction. Blows up everything right now. It comes with 3 little play balls, which obviously you can provide your own too. There's Zach. Say hi, Zach. This is tied down with stakes, plastic ones. And then we have the main blower over here, which again has a GFCI protected outlet right there. And you basically have the pump going into it one way. It also has a basically opening here. That's so that you can deflate it faster, but you want to make sure it's all there. And finally, here is the hose hookup. So this is the sprinkler hose. Right into there, goes up the side to where Zach is. Hello, Zach. And it sprays down the slide, and also to that other arm for a spray zone. Zach, let's see one, bud. Go ahead. Nice job.
Okay, so you got the ladder here. You climb this up to get to the slide. It's going to be a little hard with a camera, but Daddy over there. So we got this little place here. It's a nice time if you just want to soak your feet in the water. And then you can go right down. And yeah, it's really fun. And then we got my sister over there. Second try. I'm going to wait for my sister first. Second time.
All right, Maddie's turn. Let's go down the slide. As far as the sports here, you can see that Maddie's having tons of fun with this, and Zach. But we have some soccer hoops here. You can play some water polo. This is the net that goes across. Got some basketball going on. Volleyball, everything. So, but the water is the most important aspect here. And how's the splash pool zone, Zach?
Good.
Really? You like it?
Yeah, it feels like it's raining.
Feels like it's raining. Beautiful. Hello, Maddie. Hello, Maddie. there is a line right there where the water is supposed to go up to. Pretty much you'll have to empty it slightly doing that. It's much like the old one, just push one of the sides down, water will leak out, but it takes a long time to get there because it's spraying from the main sprayer and also the slide down into the pool. Took about a good, I'd say, 30 minutes to fill up this much, so it kind of shows you that you have a lot of time with it before you have to think about even emptying anything. So to answer a lot of questions from the last review, is it durable? Yes. Just don't store it in a place where insects can get to it, because that's where we had the problem. Two, how do you pack this away basically? I let it usually dry in the sun. Typically, you don't want to leave it totally wet and then put it long term away, because it could get a little funky, if you know what I mean. But we haven't had a problem with the old one on that, even after we stored it for that whole year. So just let it dry out from the sun, or really just make sure that all the water's kind of evaporated, and you should be fine. Three, is it basically a big pain to put up a takeaway? Not really. The biggest thing is laying it out along the ground, and then the inflator takes care of the rest. After that, you want to stake it down with the stakes. Hello, Maddie. And then you pretty much got it going on. So it holds a lot of weight going up that slide too. I mean, you probably couldn't do an adult. It's not made for that, but it does hold a lot of weight. I would say about 150, 180 pounds at most. As you can see, it's kind of durable. Zach kind of went up there while Maddie was up there. Hello, Maddie. Wow. And it's lots of fun. You can get used to this? Oh. Well, congratulations. You did it? Awesome. All right, Zach, last impressions. How do we like it?
I would give it a 5-star rating.
Really? What do you like about it?
I really like that, like being in your shower here, that you can like wash in the ice.
I see. What else?
Also, I like how you can just fly off the slide.
I don't think we're really supposed to climb the slide. Maddie, would you like the slide?
But the thing that I most like to do is I like that there's a sports thing.
You like the sports thing? It's a lot better than the old one with the sports thing?
Yeah, all the old one had was a basketball.
The old one had a basketball?
Actually,
I don't think it did. No. But you got a lot of things over there. Was it fun?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll go have more fun.
Yep.
And we'll see you soon. Anyways, if you'd like to buy the Banzai Aqua Park, I'm going to leave a link in the description below.
Bye.
We'll send you to Amazon. We can purchase your very own. Every single purchase will help support the Eric DIY channel. Appreciate all the support. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up. And push that subscribe button below. While you're down there, also push on the bell notification icon, so that way you'll be notified of future Eric DIY video releases with Maddie and Zach. We just want to say have a great day, and we'll see you soon.
Bye.
As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.